The answer is yes. And now we saw the Saudi mobile game market has started to grow rapidly. From the perspective of the three infrastructure for the development of mobile games, such as mobile devices and network and online payment, have all achieved impressive development in the GCC market in the past 10 years. And in 2022, the penetration rate of smartphone in Saudi Arabia has reached 98%.
Wow.
And the world average is only 76. Yeah. In terms of network speed, the GCC region is one of the first market in the world to launch commercial 5G services. The average internet connection speed is 50 M, and the world average is only 29 M. Those two aspects are at leading level in the world. In terms of electronic payment, e-commerce and online payments achieved rapid development due to the pandemic. And electronic payment already taken leading role. The development of these three major infrastructures has provided basic support for the development of mobile games. The second question regarding the development of Saudi mobile games game market, we have observed three phenomena. The first one is the Saudi mobile game market has achieved steady growth, leading the MENA region to become the fastest growing region in the world in 2022. The user growth scale was 8.2%, and the revenue growth rate reached 10.8%. While other regions such as North America, Asia, and Europe, the growth has slowed down significantly, or even negative growth due to the pandemic. Saudi mobile games game users are more diverse in choosing games in 2022. The action, puzzle, and simulation games are more preferred in Saudi Arabia. It broke 70% of the market share. It broke the previous situation where the main income comes from the world's strategy games. The third one is female mobile game players in Saudi Arabia have risen. Oh. Saudi Arabia has the population of 15 million female players. 90% of them who are interested in games, and more than 70% are willing to pay. The proportion of female players participating in hardcore games is increasing. The potential of the female game market is so huge. So the last one, in addition to phenomena mentioned above, the Saudi government's support for the game industry has also played a very important and key role. In September 2022, Saudi Crown Prime Minister and Saudi Crown Prince and Prime Minister Mohammed bin Salman, His Highness, announced a national strategy for game and esports. Saudi will be built into a global center for the games and esports by 2030. Under support of EWTPA agreement, YMT has reached an investment agreement with Saudi Ministry of Investment in December 2022, we plan to increase the resources and release more products for this region starting from 2023 to increase YMT's market share in the Middle East market.